This video is about how to use AI to analyze our crypto projects or create an investment research report. We know that whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned veteran in the crypto space, doing research for a project can actually take quite a bit of time, at least half an hour, or even an hour, or sometimes even most of the day. We're in the AI era now, so we definitely need to take advantage of these AI tools to give us a tech boost. Once we start using them, we can basically wrap up a project in just a minute. You can generate a research report in just 2 minutes, and then all you have to do is read it. In this video, we're using Grok 3 AI, but personally, I wouldn't rely on the information it provides. When you're in charge of something, it's important to know how to tell if AI-generated content is real or not. If you're unsure, try checking information from different sources. Check it out. In my workspace, I set up a command where you just input the name of the token, like ETH or SOL. Either it's ADA or a contract address. Once we input that, we'll do a thorough due diligence, looking at the short-term, mid-term, and long-term cycles. The content includes the total supply in the economy, distribution mechanisms, team dynamics, community investors, and various ratios related to those factors. So when we look at the use of token, we want to know what it's actually for, and also about the fairness of the inflation mechanism and the distribution system. What do you think about those? It covers pretty much everything, including some of its competitors. It looks at the differences between them, along with its strengths and weaknesses. Also, he talks about the layout of this track, and then there are some technical analyses. But when it comes to the tech here, it's not just about market technical analysis. It's more about analyzing his tech architecture, like the types of blockchain. Is it a public chain or a layer 2 chain? And what's the consensus mechanism like? So about the features of his smart contract, like scalability and transaction costs. What about the code? Is it open source? Are there any third-party audit records? Those would be pretty comprehensive. Also, something important to consider is the level of decentralization. Is this blockchain really secure? So they also talk about this, and we can see how active the community is, like the engagement level of the developer community and the frequency of commits on GitHub. So we'll also talk about these things. Besides the developer communities, we have operations and user communities as well. We need to see how active they are. So all of this can be searched using AI, and Grok 3 has that search feature too. Let's give it a try. Just input one SOL to give it a shot, and we can see it's done some searching. All right, now this content has come up, so here we go. For a comprehensive analysis of this SOL, just keep in mind that it's not my work, but AI generated. So everyone should stay critical about it. All right, it's pretty clear here. SOL was launched in 2020, and it uses a hybrid consensus mechanism of POH and POS. There's also a recent project called FireDancer, which is a validator client designed to boost the performance of the network. Plus, let's talk about the team and their background. Check out the total supply. There's actually quite a bit of content there. It covers topics like alternative economics, total supply, and the distribution mechanism of circulating supply, including 16% allocated for the team. He explained everything really clearly, like giving that investor a 12% return. As for his price predictions, just enjoy the show, but definitely don't take them seriously. I personally don't think any tool can predict the future. By the way, there's been some recent news about this. So, there have been some recent news articles that he found here. He just used a search engine to look them up, and then he analyzed the content. It's pretty much all positive stuff. Of course, he includes citations and links to the news down below. Overall, he's using this approach to present things. You can quickly check out a project to see how it is. Let me try another one, like Uni. Just look at it this way. We don't need to go to his website or look closely at his documentation to see what it says, because he's already taken care of all that for us. Check out this Uni here. It looks like it's a decentralized token, right? And it mentions the current price and market cap. They're also about to launch something new, the Uni chain, which is a layer 2 network to boost DeFi trading efficiency and improve cross-chain liquidity. It's kind of like this thing called Hyperliquid, which made a new layer 2 chain. I feel like these new layer 2 chains are really some future directions for DEX, and here are a few research reports on that. By the way, all of these are generated by AI. You can check it out too. The content is pretty much the same, so I won't go over it again.
If you want to learn about developing on the Solana chain and their EVM chain, make sure to follow our channel for more related content. If you'd like to join our community, you can visit our website, where you'll find a link to join our Discord server. See you there.